This is your gut, which can leak bacteria and toxins into your bloodstream. And every time that you eat processed foods, sugar, or inflammatory, unhealthy fats, you are irritating your gut and you are doing more and more damage to the lining of your intestines. And that allows things like undigested food particles and bad bacteria to leak into your bloodstream. And this can lead to autoimmune and inflammatory conditions that can affect the GI tract itself, the joints, the skin, and virtually any other system in your body. I'm talking about conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, inflammatory bowel disease, rheumatoid arthritis, eczema, psoriasis, and so many more. You see, normally the gut lining is like a tight barrier and it only lets nutrients pass through it. But when it gets damaged, it becomes more, well, leaky. Now, I've been a naturopathic doctor for over 20 years now, so when someone comes into my office complaining about that bloating, food sensitivities, fatigue, or even skin problems, the first thing I like to do is to examine them for the potential for a leaky gut diagnosis, because it is the most undiagnosed and overlooked condition in conventional medicine. What I look for in my patients to examine them for leaky gut syndrome is persistent abdominal discomfort from bloating or from gas, diarrhea or constipation, heartburn or acid reflux. And often these symptoms are accompanied by persistent and unexplainable joint pain or stiffness, skin conditions like eczema or acne or rashes anywhere and everywhere. And after a few tests, if a patient is showing symptoms or signs of a leaky gut, I will recommend these top supplements to help heal that intestinal lining and restore a balanced microbiome. Number one is L-glutamine. Now, this is often taken in a powdered form. It's often mixed with water or with juice, preferably taken on an empty stomach. And the recommended dose is 5 to 10 grams per day, divided into 1 to 3 doses. Now, your intestines are like a wall that's protecting your insides, right? So you can think of L-glutamine as food for the cells that form that wall. And when your intestinal lining is damaged or leaky, L-glutamine helps to repair that wall, keeps it strong, so only the good stuff can get through. Number 2, D-glycyrrhizinated licorice, also known as DGL. So the root of the licorice plant contains several different compounds that have a soothing, protective, and healing effect on the inner lining of the gastrointestinal tract. Naturopathic doctors like me use DGL widely in conditions like reflux, gastritis, even stomach and small intestinal ulcers. DGL is a reliable medicine for all sorts of different inflammatory and irritable conditions anywhere along the entire GI tract. Number 3 is probiotics. Now, probiotics can be taken in capsule form or in powder, or they are also found in foods, taken ideally after meals to enhance the survival through the GI tract. Now, I recommend looking for a multi-strain formula for broadest benefits. And the recommended daily dose, 10 to 20 billion CFUs, colony forming units, is common, but it can vary depending on the specific strain and your own individual health needs. Probiotics are tiny good bacteria that help to keep your microbiome in your gut healthy. And taking them daily can help to push out the bad bacteria, making it easier for your gut to heal and work properly. Number 4, omega-3. That's an omega. Omega-3 fatty acids can be taken in soft gel or in liquid form, preferably with meals, to improve absorption. 1,000 to 3,000 milligrams, that's 1 to 3 grams of combined EPA and DHA per day. Now, omega-3s are healthy fats. They're found in fish and in some plants, and these are like the soothing lotion for your GI tract. They reduce swelling and inflammation and irritation in your intestines, and when there's less inflammation, your gut can heal and leak less. And number 5 is curcumin, which is a turmeric extract. Typically taken in capsule form, it's beneficial to combine it with black pepper, which it contains an ingredient called piperine, to enhance the absorption. Anywhere between 500 and 2,000 milligrams of curcumin per day will help decrease intestinal inflammation. Curcumin is found in turmeric. It's a very popular spice in Ayurvedic or Indian medicine, and incredible at reducing inflammation and helping calm down any irritations in the GI tract, making it easier for your intestines to heal and just to work properly properly. What's the result of taking all these supplements? Well, it's glowing, clearer skin, more regular bowel movements, mood improvements, energy level improvements, and some people find it even easier to lose weight if that is your goal. Now, for the vast majority of people, these supplements are totally safe to take, but of course, I recommend finding a balance or a combination of these options that works best for you. Leaky gut is a reversible and preventable problem. If you combine these supplements with a healthy diet and an active lifestyle, you will see results within a couple of weeks. And don't forget to come back to this video. Let me know in the comments how this worked for you. Take good care.